Naghahanap ka pa rin ba ng pagkakakitaan na side hustle habang nasa bahay ka lang? Hirap ka pa rin bang maghanap ng clients online? Why not, baligtarin naman natin yung sitwasyon. Ikaw naman yung mag-o-offer ng services mo at yung mga clients naman yung bibili ng mga offered services mo. Yes guys, posibleng-posible yan at ituturo ko yan sa inyo in today's video. Hello everyone! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is RJ at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, nagko-cover ako ng mga videos about work from home and earn from home tips. Kaya naman kung interested ka into this kind of videos, please consider subscribing. Click mo na yung subscribe button and yung notification bell para naman updated ka every time may bago tayong videos. Also, please do me a little favor guys. Please don't forget to like this video. Makakatulong yan for us to reach more audience at para mas marami rin tayong matulungan sa paghahanap ng side hustles and online jobs. So ayun na nga guys, usually for work from home or online jobs, ang usual setting dyan is nag-a-apply tayo as a freelancer or work from home employee. So recently, may natuklasan akong website from where ang mangyayari naman is magbebenta tayo ng mga services natin. So tayo naman yung mga hanapin ng mga clients na nangangailangan ng tulong when it comes to specific services. Of course, ipapakita ko kung ano tong website na to. We will do the sign-up process and we will discuss further information like the payment and mode of payment. Tapos guys, maganda dito kahit wala kang experience, you can sell your services. At magbibigay din ako sa inyo ng mga basic services na pwede nyong i-offer or ibenta sa website na to. Tuturuan ko rin kayo kung paano nyo ba ibebenta yan, paano nyo ba gagawa ng listing yung specific service. And at the end of this video, I will be sharing my thoughts about this specific website. So please bear with me guys kasi medyo mahaba tong video na to kasi ituturo ko na sa inyo from the sign-up process to creating your listing for service and all the information na kailangan nyong malaman. Kaya naman kung interested ka sa topic na to for today, please stay with me up until the end of this video. Don't skip any part of it para wala kang ma-miss na information. So okay guys, start na tayo. Itong sinasabi kong website ay si Fiverr.com. So si Fiverr.com ay meron ding official application and pwede nyo itong i-download sa Play Store or sa App Store. So that means guys na you can use your phone to sell your services. So kung phone man, laptop, tablet, or anong device man yung available, feel free to use them. So etong si Fiverr.com, para siyang marketplace ng mga services na ginagamit ng mga clients when they need help with specific tasks. So dito kay Fiverr.com guys, para kang nagbebenta online. Para kang online seller. So the only difference is that hindi ka nagbebenta ng physical products. Ang ibebenta mo is yung mga service na kaya mong gawin na hinahanap din ng ilang mga clients. So yung mga clients na yun, pwedeng naghahanap sila ng mga gigs when it comes to transcription, graphic designs, video editing, resume writing, background removal. Sobrang lawak ng mga services na pwede mong i-offer dito kay Fiverr. Try nating mag-sign up ng account dito kay Fiverr and magdi-discuss din ako ng further information habang nagsa-sign up tayo kay Fiverr. So ayan guys, yung website nila is Fiverr.com. So punta lang kayo dyan. Now, for us to sell our services with Fiverr, we need to click Become a Seller. Pwede tayong mag-sign up through Facebook, through Google, or through Apple. Once you have signed up, you will see this notification at the top. Your account has been created. And we can go to our profile so we can set it up. We need to add a photo to our profile. So bago tayo guys makapag-list ng ating gigs or yung mga services na pwede natin or kaya nating i-offer to clients, we need to set up our profile pa. So let's click on continue. So these are the suggestions from Fiverr team on how we can create a profile that stands out from the crowd. We need to make sure that all the information are credible. We need to accurately describe our skills. We need to add a photo like yung ginawa natin kanina and they may ask for a valid ID. So let's click on continue. Ito naman guys yung mga bagay na kailangan nating i-avoid when setting up an account with Fiverr. Now, let's click on continue. So dito, let's put our first and last name. Then dito sa description is a brief description ng services or yung mga skills na meron ka or yung expertise mo. So pwede nyo ring i-mention yung mga specific services na kaya nyong i-offer. So dito naman sa language or languages, you can add the languages na kaya nyo. Now let's click on continue. And then we need to add our occupation. And then we also need to choose 2 to 5 of our best skills. Then we also need to add our skills. So ayan guys, after adding your skills, we can move on to the education part. So we need to select our university and our course. Tapos guys, if you have specific certifications, you can add the file here. And then if you also have a personal website, you can add it here. So once you have filled out those information, just click on continue. So here may option then to connect your Facebook account, your Twitter account. So I'll skip this part for now. Then dito naman guys, ito is required to verify the email and the phone number. After verifying your phone number and your email, you can already start and continue creating your gig. So guys, ito na yung account natin. Now for us to start selling with Fiverr, we need to click this. On our dashboard, may kita natin yung summary ng ating account. And for messages tab, dito naman mag-a-appear yung mga interaction nyo with clients. Dito naman sa orders, dito nyo may kita yung order history, yung mga na-place na orders ni clients, yung mga bumili ng services nyo. Dito naman sa gigs, ito naman yung listing nyo for your services. So lahat ng nilist nyong service, may kita nyo dito. And then sa earnings tab guys, may kita nyo dito yung total accumulated income nyo. And then dito nyo rin may kita yung withdrawal option. You can withdraw your balance through your PayPal account or direct bank transfer. Meron din silang option to withdraw it through Fiverr Revenue Card. So now guys, paano ba tayo magki-create ng gig? I will also share with you the step-by-step procedure on how to create gigs. Pero before that guys, let's try to check some gigs from other freelancers para aware din naman kayo. So meron din guys mga nag-o-offer ng gantong service, yung pagre-remove ng background from photos. Nagcha-charge siya ng up to $25 for 100 photo and she can deliver it in just 1 day. So meron din naman guys na mga resume writing. Yan, magsusulat sila ng resume for you or for the clients, kung sino man bibili ng service na to. And they are charging from $60 to $245 per completed order. Another skill na pwede nyong pagkakitaan dito kay Fiverr is creating YouTube thumbnails. So if you are a graphic designer or if magaling kang mag-edit ng mga thumbnails for YouTube videos, pwede mo rin gawin to. So dito, kung nakikita nyo, nag-charge siya from $5 to $20 up to 7 YouTube thumbnails. And he can deliver it in 2 days. Kung magaling ka naman mag-edit ng videos, or if you know basic video editing, you can also offer this service. Like this one is charging from $15 to $40 per order. So another service na pwede mong ibenta is subtitling or captioning. So dito guys, parang transcription din siya. So itatranscribe nyo yung audio into text and then you will add it as a subtitle dun sa video. So dito, nagcha-charge tong freelancer na to from $10 to $60. So ayan guys, yung mga ilan lang sa services na pwede nyong ibenta dito kay Fiverr. And there are a lot more. Sobrang lawak ng scope ng services na pwede mong ibenta. Pwedeng logo designs, PowerPoint presentation designs, copywriting, proofreading, writing articles, user testing or website testing, data entry, encoding, translation, at sobrang dami pa guys. So punta tayo dun sa gigs and then let's click on create a new gig. Now for example, we will offer transcription services. So kunyari yan, I will transcribe audios or videos to text. Tapos for the category guys, meron ng mga suggested si Fiverr. So dito pwede natin tong gawing writing and translation, and then transcripts. And then we need to select the language that we are offering. So dito guys sa tags, may maximum 20 characters and maximum 5 total tags. So dito guys, ito na yung scope and pricing. Kung you have the option to offer packages din, and basic, standard, and premium. Pero if you want to offer just a single package, yung wala ng option si client, you can also do that. Say for example, in this case, we will just offer a single package. So you can also name your package. We need to describe the details of the offer. And then delivery time, we can say na 1-day delivery kasi possible yan guys. For 20 minutes, we can finish it within a day. And the number of revisions, kung ilan ba yung i-require nyo or i-allow nyo kay client na number of revisions in case hindi sila satisfied dun sa initial output. So let's include time reference. So number of speakers, let's say maximum of 2. Verbatim transcription, include natin to, yung proofreading din, yung convert file. Minutes included, it's 20 minutes. And the price, let's say itong $10 for 20 minutes. Sample, pwede tayo mag-offer dito ng extra minutes, which will be $3 per 5 minutes. And you can also add additional services. And then after you're done filling out all this information for your gig, you can click on save and continue. So may error tayo guys for the basic service. Kasi nga dun sa in-offer natin is $10. So we can do $5 per 5 minutes. Then let's click on save and continue. So now guys, we need to do a brief description of our listing or our gig. So ayan guys, you can add the inclusions of your service. Tapos guys, you can also add FAQs and answers to it. Once you're done with all this information, you can just click on save and continue. So dito naman guys, sa requirements part, ito yung mga guidelines, dimensions, or kung ano man yung mga i-require nyo kay client. Add, and then click on save and continue. So dito naman guys, will be a photo or parang thumbnail siya, yung initial na makikita ni client kapag sinearch niya yung specific service na to. You can also add a video to showcase your service. And you can also add up to 2 documents to show any sample work para, di ba, may basis din sila kung bibilin ba nila yung services mo. So once you're done filling out this information, you can click on save and continue. So that's it guys. That's how you set up your first gig, and that's how you create your account with Fiverr. Ngayon, for my thoughts about this website, I would really recommend this for those freelancers na may mga skills talagang may offer. Like kung magaling ka sa specific na bagay at hinahanap to ni client, you can definitely sell your services. It's an easy sign-up website and free. Also, pwede to sa phone. Gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, you can download their application. Tapos, you can offer more services din. Kung may mga iba-iba kang alam na services, you can definitely create different gigs. Ang maganda rin dito guys is you can set your own price. 'Di ba? For each gig, you can set your own plan and price. Pero guys, what I do suggest is to compare and base your price dun sa mga usual rates na katulad ng services na ino-offer mo. Say for example, you're offering transcription services. You can look for other freelancers na nag-offer ng transcription services. Magkano ba yung ino-offer nila for a specific duration of video or audio, and idikit mo lang dun sa price range nila. Mas pipiliin of course ng client yung quality and mas cost-effective na pricing. Mas madaling mabibili yung service na ino-offer mo kung mas cost-effective siya. And here guys, you can earn unlimited income as long as may offer ka na services. Of course guys, sa una medyo challenge siya kasi once you create your gigs, hindi naman agad na may bibili niyan, diba? It would really take time. Pero may bibili at may bibili din ng mga gigs mo na yan. So, ayan lang naman guys, yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo for today about Fiverr. And if you're someone na naghahanap pa rin ng side hustles or online job from where you can earn by just staying at home, you can also consider this and offer your services with Fiverr.com and start earning money. I hope na nakatulong tong video na to. Please don't forget to like this video and share this to your friends and family para aware din sila na pwede silang kumita dito kay Fiverr by selling their services. So if you have any questions, comments, or reactions, please feel free to drop them on our comment section. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for you to be updated sa ating next videos. So yan lang muna for today guys, and I will see you again in our next video. Bye!